children, welcome to English class. Children, we are in block 18, writing about the past. Lesson number 3 is writing about a trip. Keywords are paragraph, topic, sentence, idea, map. Children, I will tell you what are these words are, children. What is paragraph? I will explain you topic, sentence and idea map. Okay, children? Yes, children, today also we will read this S3 paragraph, children. Okay, just listen to me. Here, my visit to the zoo. Topic, sentence. Now, every paragraph we are writing about something, we will have a topic, sentence, children. So, what is topic, sentence? My visit to the zoo is topic, sentence. Sometimes we will write, no, my visit to grandma's house, my visit to museum. After that, we will write everything about that. So, that is called, the heading while writing the paragraph is called topic, sentence. Okay, children? See here what is given in the paragraph. Last Saturday, I spent the day at the zoo in Delhi. I went with my mother, father and brother. We bought the entry tickets when we reached the entrance. My brother and I were very excited. We saw many animals. Some of them were dangerous, but some looked very cute. I asked my father to take pictures. In the afternoon, we ate lunch in the restaurant. After that, we saw the reptiles and watched the bird show. The birds were very colorful. I learned the names of many new birds. I had fun at the zoo. It was my favorite trip. Okay, children. So now you know. Now we are going to answer the questions given here, children. Where did the writer go? Writer means this paragraph. Who wrote this paragraph is called writer. So where did the writer go, children? Where did he go? He went to zoo. If you ask these questions, you will know more about the paragraph. Okay, children? What he do? What he do? He enjoyed the trip. He enjoyed. Okay. So let us write that. Third question. With whom did he go? With whom did he go? My parents and his brother. Okay, children. So we can write parents, comma, brother. And then, what did he see? What did he see? What did he see there also? He saw. We have to do it right in the past tense. We have to say in the past tense, children. See, no? So, what we have to use, how our answer will start? He saw. He saw many animals. Okay? He saw many animals. Watched bird show. He learnt the names of many new birds. Okay, children? He saw reptiles. Okay, all those things we have to write. I don't have place, so two things I wrote. When I will tell you, that time we will include. Did he enjoyed his trip? Yes. Did he enjoyed his trip? Yes. Here he has given last line. I had fun at the zoo. It was my favorite trip. Yes, he enjoyed his trip. So here we will write enjoyed. Okay. Now children, here if you see the paragraph, children, here, if you ask these questions, then you will get the answers, children. Yes. Okay. So asking questions is very important. If we don't know all these questions, children, so then only paragraph what we will read. Okay. So to understand better, we have asked all these questions. Okay, children? Yes, children. Now paragraph. What is the meaning of paragraph, children? A group of sentences about the same topic. Yes, children, if you see here, it is written by the writer. All what is given zoo. So all the lines, all the sentences are related to zoo only. They are about the same topic. Okay, children. Now, idea map. What is idea map? Idea map, what it will do, how it is helpful to us, includes sentences about only the key points. What they will include about the key points. Now what are the key points means? Zoo, enjoyed, parents, brother, saw animals, watch bird show, enjoyed, like this. These are the key points which we can write in the paragraph. If we know the key points, then we can write the paragraph. Okay children, what else we have to take care while writing the paragraph children? So we have to take care of the writing. We have to write neatly, and every sentence will start with capital letter and ends with full stop. That all these things we have to keep in mind to write a paragraph. Okay children, fine, till here clear children? Children, now all of you all open your workbook children, page number 12. Okay children, write the date here, S3. Writing about a trip. Read the paragraph and circle the doing words. My visit to the zoo. Okay children, you have to read this paragraph and then you have to circle the doing words. Okay, read with me and circle the doing words. Last Saturday I spent. Spent is doing word children, circle it. The day at the zoo in Delhi I went. Went is doing word. With my father, sorry children, with my mother, father and brother. We bought, doing word, the entry tickets when we reached the entrance. My brother and I were very excited. We saw is a doing word. We saw many animals. Some of them were dangerous, but some looked. So looked is a doing. Very cute. I asked my father to take pictures. In the afternoon we ate, doing word, lunch in the restaurant. After that we saw the reptiles and watched the bird show. The birds were very colorful. I learnt the names of many new birds. Learnt also doing word children. Okay. I had fun at the zoo. It was my favorite trip. Okay children, so all these are doing words. You have to put circle. Spent, went, bought, reached, excited, saw, looked, asked, ate, saw, watched, learnt. Okay. Now what we have to do here, second point, write a paragraph on your favorite fun trip. This I will write and I will show you, or else with the help of your parents. If you want to write your own fun trip on your own, so you can write that also. Okay children? Yes children. Now second question we can write children. Okay, so what it is, write a paragraph on your favorite fun trip. Topic sentence. Topic sentence means what children? Heading you have to write. My Shimla trip. Last year I went to Shimla with my family. We went there by train. It was very cold in Shimla. I saw snow for the first time. It was beautiful as everything was covered with snow. My sister and I played a lot in the snow. My mother did a lot of shopping too. I enjoyed my trip a lot. Okay children, like this you have to write a paragraph. This one if you want to write you can write, or else if you went to any other place, that also you can write. Take care of your parents, or else last year or last month when you went, you can write. I went to Tirupati, for example. I went to Maharashtra. I went to Ooty, like that. Which place you visited you can write. With my family. We went there by train. By car or bus you can write here. It was very cold in that place. So cold or hot you can write that. I saw. What is the speciality of that place you can write. What are the other things you saw there? You can write that. If you did shopping, you can write, or anything else, famous things you ate there or you watched there, you can write that also. And lastly, you can write, I enjoyed my trip a lot. Like this, you have to write the paragraph, children. Okay, you read this paragraph. After writing, read the paragraph also, children. Okay. Children, all of you, open your reader, page number 115, 115. Okay. Block 18, writing about the past. Practice questions. Fill in the blanks with the past form of the words in brackets. Now, children, here brackets, some words are given. Those words we have to write past form. See, children, first one, A bit. I cleaned my room yesterday. So, clean past form is what? I cleaned my room yesterday. B bit. Today I cook food for my family. So, here cook is given. So, we have to write past form. Today I cooked food for my family. See bit. We listened to music. We listened to music. D bit. They watched the match. They watched the match. E bit. Rahul's mother baked a cake. Bake past tense we have to write. Rahul's mother baked a cake. Second bit, children. Circle the correct form of the doing words. A bit. Meeta and Sakshi dash a good film last week. So what will come? Meeta and Sakshi watched or watching. So when they did, children, this now they are doing, they want to do it. No, they did. Actually, this is past form, children. We have to use past form. So what is the correct? Meeta and Sakshi watched a good film last week. Okay, like this. B bit. The children dash after the show. So the children clapped after the show. Yesterday she dash a beautiful song. So what will come? Sung, singing. Sang. Yesterday she sang a beautiful song. Now D bit, children. Last year I dashed to Agra for holidays. So last year I went. So went. I went to Agra. Okay. E bit. Lisa. Yes, children, I will show you the E bit. Lisa reads the newspaper every day. Every day she is doing this work. So we will write, we will circle reads. Reads, read, reading. Reads. Third bit is rearrange the sentences in the correct order. So what we have to do here? Football. Yes, children, here sentences we have to write in the correct order. Football, boys, the, in, played, park, the. So we will write here A bit, the, T-H-E, the. Capital letter we have to start the sentence. The boys played, P-L-A-Y-E-D. The boys played football in the park. In the park. Full stop. Okay, children. Now B bit is what, children? Watched match the V yesterday. So capital letter V. Watched the match yesterday. Okay, children, like this you have to write. Complete your reader neatly. Okay, children, see you in the next class.